Students, today we will study about exercise 3.5 about cross multiplication method. Now I have question 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, and the second equation is this. First of all, we will simplify equation number 1. This equation 2x, here I am rewrite this equation 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. This 7 is goes to other side with left hand side with negative sign. So I have this equation. This is equation number 1. Equation number 2 is a minus b x plus a plus b y, this from this equation, and I will shift whole this term, and when I am shifting this term it will be also goes with negative sign is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. From here you can take a1 and a2, b1 and b2, c1 and c2 from these two equations. So a1 is 2, a2 is a minus b. From here with x, what is coefficient here? A minus b. So a minus b. Coefficient of y is 3 and coefficient of y is a plus b. Now here, what is value of c1? That is minus 7. What is value of c2? Minus 3a plus b minus 2. This is value of c2. After that we will write in this form a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, because we will find out linear equation, a pair of linear equation on infinite many solutions. So here a1 is 2 and a minus b, a2 3 a plus b, c1 is minus 7 upon minus here from this this thing c1, this is c1 minus 3a plus b minus 2. So I am writing here 3a plus b minus 2. This is c1, c2, right? Bracket close. So I am writing condition of infinite many solutions. So here a pair of linear equation to have the infinite many solutions. So a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. If all these terms are equal, so we can say these are infinite many solutions. Right? 2 upon, I am writing value from here, a minus b is equal to b1 here, 3 upon a plus b, and I am writing c1 upon c2 from here. You can cancel out minus from minus, so 7 3a plus b minus 2. You are finding value of a and b, their coefficients, their variables from here. So you can take any two terms. I am taking these two terms, after that I am taking these two terms. So here in this side I am taking a minus b is equal to 3a plus b. I am taking these two terms first of all, and after that I am taking these two terms. 3a plus b is equal to 7 3a plus b minus 2. From these two terms we will write two equation. From there we can find out values of a and b. First of all, cross multiplication. From this 2, a plus b is equal to 3a minus b. From here I am writing 3. I am solving these. First of all, I will solve this side. After that, I will solve this side. So, here 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. Because when you are multiplying, when you are open this bracket, 3 multiplied with a and 3 multiplied with b also. And signs are also multiplied. Here is plus, minus. Here is plus, minus sign is here. Right? Now 3a, I am shifting this side to the other side, this one, other side. So 2a minus 2a, because this is plus, when it will goes to other side, negative sign. So 2a, I am writing here 3b minus 2b minus is equal to 0. I am repeating again this term. 3a, first of all I am writing 3a minus here is plus, when it will goes to other side with negative sign. So 2a, here is minus 3b and here is plus 2b. So 3b, it will goes other side again with the negative sign, and when you are subtracting these two a, when you are adding these two, adding इसलिए क्योंकि both are negative terms, 5b is equal to 0. This is, you can take equation number 3, right? And here in other side, here again cross multiplication, same as whatever you are doing in previous these two term, you can do same thing here. 3 bracket start, 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 7 a plus b, 3 3s are 9 a, 3 plus 3b, and this is 6. 3 को आपने यहाँ भी मल्टीप्लाई किया, 3 को आपने यहाँ पे भी, इसका कोफिशिएंट जो है वो 1 है, 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. After that you are arranging terms with the like terms. 7a, its like term is 9a, its like term is 7a, so signs are changed, and plus 3b minus 7b, and here is minus 6 is equal to 0. Now these two, one positive one negative, you are subtracting these two, so 2a, and here is again one positive one negative, and when you are subtracting these two, 4b minus 6 is equal to 0. Equation number 4. After that you can compare both these term, both these equation number 3 and equation number 4. When you are comparing these two term, you can write down these two term, and here is a 5b is equal to 0, 2a minus 4b minus 6 is equal to 0. This is equation number 3 and this is equation number 4. Now you can find out equation number 3 and 4. You can find out value of a and b from equation number 3 and 4. Now here a minus 5b is equal to 0, and here 2a 4b, this 6 shift to other side, plus 6. Now after that you can use substitution method, elimination method, whatever you want to use. And so its coefficient is 2, so I am writing here 2, and its coefficient is 1, so I am writing here 1. Now multiply this 2 from here, 2a and this 2 multiplied with 5, 10b is equal to 0. 0 को जब आप 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो 0 ही आएगा, राइट. आफ्टर दैट 1 से जब आप इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 2a माइनस 4b इज इक्वल टू 1. सब्ट्रैक्शन कर लोगे, राइट. एलिमिनेशन मेथड, cancel out when you are subtracting these two. 6b is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 1 upon 6. Okay, here now 2a minus 10b is equal to 0 and 2a minus 4b is equal to 6, because 6 multiplied with 1, that is 6. When you are subtracting, minus 6 and this is with multiply and it will be goes to denominator, cancel out, then you can get b is equal to minus 1. After that you can put value of minus b is equal to minus b in equation number 3. Then you can solve this thing. A minus 5b is equal to 0. A minus 5, in place of b you can write down minus 1 is equal to 0. A minus minus plus 5 is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 5. This is your question. And after that I am giving you one more question. This is question from cross multiplication मेथड. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है आपका एनसीईआरटी बुक एक्सरसाइज जो है आपकी दैट इज़ 3.5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. तो ये क्वेश्चन जो है आपको दोनों मेथड से पूछा है, सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से भी एंड आपका क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड से भी पूछा है. तो आपने क्या करना है, इसको सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड से आप खुद भी कर सकते हो, मैं आपको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड करवा देती हूँ. तो हियर you have to given this equation. First of all you will simplify this equation. 8x plus 5y, this 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. This is equation number 3, right? And here 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 again, and this is equation number 4. I am putting 3 and 4 here. Now after that you can know this is cross multiplication method, and cross multiplication method जो है आपका, this is your formula, and x b1 b2 c1 c2 and a1 a2 b1 b2, right? Then when you are putting this formula, putting value in this formula, b1 जो है आपका क्या है 5 है, एंड हेयर 2, एंड c1 जो है वो 9 एंड 4, एंड हेयर a1 8 3 and b1 5 and 2. This is your formula, right? This is your formula. So when you are solving this equation, then this is x cross multiplication. This is 5 2s are 5 5 4s are 20 and minus 9 2s are 18, right? मैं डायरेक्टली लिख रही हूँ, तो यू कैन राइट डाउन योर सेल्फ ऑल्सो इन डिटेल. 9 3s are 27 minus 8 4s are 32 and 8 2s are 16 here. You can equate all these equations. Minus 15, x is x upon, when you are subtracting these 2, and when is equal to 2, oh sorry, here is minus 4. Okay, here is minus 9 and minus 4. First of all 5 4s are minus 20 and 9 2s are 18. Minus sign is here and minus sign from formula, so minus plus 18 and minus 9 minus 3 minus 20 minus 9 3 20 minus 27 and minus 4 8 minus from formula and minus plus 32 and equal to 1 upon 16. 8 2 is 16 and 15. Subtract these two. When you are subtracting these two, 5 is equal to 1 upon 1. First of all you will compare both these terms. X upon minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 1, and other side y upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 1 here. x is equal to again cross multiplication -2, this is value of x, and y is equal to 5, this is value of y. Thank you.